This video will cover working with silver. I will show you how to work with silver by making a simple silver band. For this video, the materials you will need are sterling silver stock, silver solder, flux, your soldering setup, a mallet, a steel block, a ring mandrel, pliers, a pickle pot, sanding sticks, rubber wheels, and a polishing machine. I will begin to make my ring with flat stock. This stock is 5 by 1 millimeters. Flux keeps the silver clean by preventing it from oxidizing while being heated. I'm going to watch the metal for very subtle shifts in color. I will start by bending it over my ring mandrel at my desired size. I will take breaks to anneal it so that it moves more easily. If there is a gap between the ends, I will saw through it. It is possible to burn your solder by overheating it. When this happens, your solder will look pitted and the seam will be visible in the finished product. I will put the ring onto my mandrel and continue to hammer it. Then flatten the ring by hammering it with a mallet on my steel block. To finish the ring, I will polish it at the polishing machine. With the right annealing, soldering, and finishing processes in place, any design can be achieved.